So today I will going to share with you another makeup look for this Durga Puja. This is kind of ethnic traditional wala look with a western tinge. So I guess you all will going to love this kind of makeup look. So I thought to make a video on this makeup look, and yeah, so without wasting your time, let's start with the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. So yeah, let's start. So at first I will going to wash my face, then I will going to do some skincare. So I tied up my hair at first only. So at first I will going to use this Alps Goodness ka toner. So I will going to dab it as well as I can. Then I will going to apply this Good Vibes moisturizer. I showed you this moisturizer a lot in many videos. So I will going to apply this moisturizer as well as I can, and I forgot to apply lip balm, so you should apply lip balm. So then I will going to start with my primer. This is a Face Tech primer. You can apply any kind of primer whatever you have. So yeah, apply it over your on area near your pores, then on your T-zone apply it as well as you can. You can see it is giving me a blurred look on those areas. Then I am going to apply my Maybelline foundation. I will going to take a little bit. As I said you, I used to take foundation, concealer not in huge quantity, in a little bit quantity only. So I am going to apply this foundation all over my face and neck, ears, etc. Then I will going to blend it up as well as I can. And in every video I used to say blending is a very important process for makeup, and yeah, I will blend it up as well as I can. Then I think I will going to apply concealer of Stay Cookie. So stay watching my video. So now I am going to apply Stay Quirky concealer. It's a good concealer. I have a little bit, so I thought to finish it up. So I am applying on my eyes area, on my upper lid, and also on my underneath of my eyes, on my chin, on my pimple, a few pimples which I have. I will going to apply on those areas also. Then I will going to blend it up. It give you a medium to sheer to medium coverage, and the foundation which I applied, it also give you a medium to high coverage. You can build it up, and on this concealer also you can build it up. So then I am going to apply this Swiss Beauty illuminator. It's a very good illuminator. Due to I'm making a very ethnic and very traditional makeup look and with a western tinge. So I am going to highlight my face as well as I can. So I thought to apply a illuminator on my cheekbone. You can see I am applying it as well as I can, and dab away. After applying it, then you have to dab it up for making a smooth look. Then I am going to take my light shade wala concealer. I use this concealer for highlighting purpose only, and I will going to apply on my nose area, on my over my nose. You can see how I am applying. Then I am going to take my Naive concealer stick and going to apply, not concealer, contour stick, and going to apply on my nose area. I am contouring my nose. So you can see how I'm applying the contour, and then I'm going to blend it up with my finger only. I feel much comfortable with applying with finger my concealer and contour on my nose, and also it will show up. You will going to see the difference by applying with a finger. Then I'm going to take beauty blender and going to dab it up for give a smooth finish. So you can see it's looking good. Then I'm going to take my sugar setting powder and going to apply on my underneath of my eyes, and also on my jawline area. Afterward I am going to brush it up after applying after doing my eye look. So you can see I made a radiant eyeshadow look, like yellow to light sky blue to deep blue. It's kind of tricky, but you can do it. It's a very easy eyeshadow. People will going to say no, it's a hard eyeshadow process, but no, it's a very easy eyeshadow look. You can see how I am applying. By watching only you can understand. And at first on my inner part of my eyes I will going to apply yellow eyeshadow. Then I will going to take a sky blue eyeshadow and going to mix it up and going to apply it on my middle part of my eye, and going to little bit merge it up with yellow for give it a smooth finish and for giving it a very gradient look. Then I will going to take a deep kind of more deeper than that blue, the sky blue, and going to apply on my outer V part. And then I will going to again I am going to smudge it up on my upper part of my eyelid, and going to blend it up as well as I can. I want to give it a gradient look and a smooth finish, so your eye will going to look kind of like peacock feather. So I try to make like that only, but it's not a peacock feather wala tinge, it's a yellow. I just kind of try to give it up as a give it as a peacock feather wala eyeshadow look. So my eyeshadow is done. It's a very easy, you can see, and I will going to brush it up all my powder, setting powder as well as I can, and I also applied on my on my full face I applied powder. So then I will going to take the powder, then I'm going to dab it up a bit on my whole face, and again I will going to brush it up a bit. Then I will going to apply kajal on my water eye, I'm saying on my upper waterline and lower waterline, and I'm on my upper waterline I'm going to fully kajal it up, and on my lower waterline I will going to just apply kajal on my outer V part of my eyes, so you can see. Then I'm going to apply eyeliner. I just tried to make a cat eye liner. I just tried to make it up a kind of cat eye wala eyeliner. So you can see it's a very easy process. If you want a specific video on applying eyeliner, I can make it that kind of video also. Then I will going to take a kajal, and also I will going to smudge it up a bit. I don't know I inserted that video or not. Yeah, I will just going to smudge it up. I want to smudgy wala eye look, and smudge wala look give you a beautiful eye look, and your eye look very highlighted and very good. And yeah, then I'm going to take kind of, you can take shimmery blue shade also, like sky blue shade. I just took a Naive jelly wala eyeshadow. It's a very good eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it on my inner corner of my eyes. You can also take any blue shimmery shade and apply it on your inner corner of your eyes. I am making this kind of eye look because it's a festive look and it's a kind of traditional and kind of ethnic wala look, so I thought to make it a very deep eyeshadow and very gorgeous. I try to give it a very gorgeous look, gorgeous eyeshadow. So it's kind of tricky, but you can do it. It's not that hard also. So then I will going to apply mascara as well as I can on my upper lash and lower lash both. Then I will going to make my eyebrows. I just make a eyebrow, you know, very simply. I just comb it up a bit, and I just apply a bit eyeshadow pencil on the end lines of my eyebrows, and on my some part where I want to fill it up. So yeah, I going to apply my eyebrow brush. Then I will going to complete it with my full eye look, so you can see. Then I am going to take my Miss Claire face palette. Then I will going to take contour shade. I am going to contour it up on my cheekbone as I do it on my last video, how I contour. So I am going to contour my face a bit on my cheekbone and also on my jawline. Then I will take highlighter and going to apply highlighter on my nose bone and also on my cheekbone. You can see the illuminator giving a very good highlighting look, but still I want a highlighter. I want to look like a disco ball. So yeah, I'm just now I'm going to take my sponge, then dab it up. Then I'm going to take my lip liner and going to give a structure of my lip. I'm going to give a good structure on my lips. Then I'm going to apply lipstick. I applied a very bright shade of pink, kind of bright and very beautiful shade of pink. I just love this shade, and I'm going to apply that lipstick, and it's a cream lipstick, so it will transfer it up. So I will going to apply one trick which is very walkful. So I'm going to apply one trick. I'm going to take a powder setting powder and going to apply it on my lips. So my lip will going to be matte lipstick. It will going to give a very good matte finish on my lips, and the lipstick will also transfer proof. It will not transfer. So you can see it's looking so good. Then I'm going to take my makeup fixer and going to apply it all over my face and going to dab it up a bit. So my makeup look is kind of done. So now I'm going to change my clothes. I'm going to wear this kurti kind of, yeah, kurti, long kurti, and so it's a yellow and blue, so I applied my eyeshadow like that only. And I will going to wear this huge earrings which is very huge and very ethnic. It will give you a very traditional look and which is looking very gorgeous. And I will going to wear bangles, yellow bangles, and you can see my makeup look is done. It's looking awesome. I'm just loving with this makeup look. You can do this makeup look whenever you want, in any kind of occasion, puja festival, like in Diwali, Durga Puja, in any kind of puja you can do this makeup look. It's a very gorgeous, very simple, very kind of very sober. You can see it is very, it give you a very both kind of look. You can see I just made mix it up, a traditional and also western wala look, then I do this kind of makeup look. You can see, I guess you all will going to love this makeup look, and I will going to make more this kind of video in this puja week. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and bye guys, meet you to the next video.